And good morning, and this is Eric Tallman in Southeast Lower Michigan. We just want to go over that 3 counties in Southeast Lower Michigan are under flood advisory. Those counties are Southern Macomb County in Southeast Michigan, Wayne County in Southeast Michigan, and Southern Oakland County in Southeast Michigan until 11 p.m. Saturday. So you are under the advisory until 11 p.m. tonight, Saturday. The other locations that will experience minor flooding include the following cities around Metro Detroit are Warren, Livonia, Troy, Southfield, Taylor, St. Clair Shores, Livonia, Romulus, Mount Clemens, New Baltimore, Flat Rock, Grosse Pointe, downtown Detroit, Canton, Detroit, Sterling Heights, Dearborn, Royal Oak, Wyandotte, and Birmingham. Those cities again, for those that did not hear this clearly: Warren, Livonia, Troy, Southfield, Taylor, St. Clair Shores, Novi, Romulus, Mount Clemens, New Baltimore, Flat Rock, Grosse Pointe, downtown Detroit, Canton, Detroit, Sterling Heights, Dearborn, Royal Oak, Wyandotte, and Birmingham, all in metropolitan Detroit and Southeast Lower Michigan. Stay tuned for more. We've got more just ahead. If other cities are also added to the advisory in Macomb, Wayne, and Oakland counties, we most definitely will let you know. But people that are north of Detroit, you don't really have to worry about that at this point. We will keep you posted, but if Northern Macomb is under the advisory as well, we'll look at it and try and max out to see exactly what cities are also included in that. So stay tuned for that. I've got more on that flood advisory coming up. And this is Eric Tallman, Chief Meteorologist in Southeast Lower Michigan. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Stay with us. We'll be right back.